What if I told you that the secret to restaurant-quality pasta isn't just the recipe or the flour, but the pot you cook it in? For years, I believed any pot would do, until a failed dinner party revealed the shocking truth. We've been making a critical mistake. So my team and I went on a mission, testing over 20 of the most popular pasta pots on the market. The results? They changed everything. Today, I'm revealing the only 5 pots that made the cut, and the one surprising winner that chefs are secretly using. Stay until the end, because the number 1 pick will redefine how you cook pasta forever. Starting at number 1. All-Clad Simply Strained Stainless Steel 8-Quart Multipot. Best overall. All-Clad cookware is beloved amongst professional chefs and home cooks alike, and the brand's pasta pots make it easy to see why. All-Clad Simply Strained 8-Quart Multipot has a sturdy stainless steel construction with a deep strainer insert that can be used for boiling pasta as well as seafood boils and stock. We loved how easy this pot is to use. It brought water to a boil quickly, and the inside of the pot has helpful measurement markings in both cups and liters as well as a max fill line for steaming. The extra-wide, slightly sloped handles were easy to grip, even when carrying a full pot back and forth between the sink and stove, and the strainer insert is strategically designed with 2 different sizes of holes that keep pasta in place while also allowing for efficient straining. The only downside? While its larger capacity makes it well-suited to cooking big-batch recipes, its size does make it a little more cumbersome to wash and store, especially if you're already short on kitchen space. All-Clad is a favorite of both 2008 FNW Best New Chef Gerard Kraft of Niche Food Group and Greg May, executive chef of Pastaria in St. Louis. I am an All-Clad pasta cooker guy, Kraft says. It's pretty lightweight, so it gets the water boiling quickly and the basket makes easy work of taking the pasta out. You also get to save the pasta water to add to your sauce. Bonus is that I use it for making stock at home and can just pull out the bones and veg easily to add to the compost. Number 2. Made in 8-Quart Stainless Clad Stock Pot with Pasta Insert. Best splurge. Made in chef-worthy cookware has consistently impressed us during testing, and the brand's stainless steel stock pot is no exception. Made in signature 5-ply construction ensures the pot conducts heat evenly and quickly. Water reached a rolling boil in just 12 minutes in this pot, which was the fastest of any of the pots we tested. It's both stylish and functional, with a brushed finish that hides smudges and flat handles that are easy to grip and comfortable to hold, even when using bulky oven mitts. It's also thoughtfully designed, featuring 2 different-sized straining holes on the insert and rolled rims on both the pasta insert and stock pot so they fit snugly together both on the stove and when straining. We like the wide shape, though this pot's larger capacity could make it a little more difficult to store, and it requires a little more upkeep, as it's not dishwasher safe and acquired a few stains during testing. Number 3. All-Clad Stainless Steel 6-Quart Multipot with Straining Lid. Best for small batches. Much like All-Clad Simply Strained 8-Quart Multipot, the brand's 6-Quart Multipot was a top performer across our tests, quickly bringing water to a rolling boil and producing perfectly cooked fresh and dried pasta. Unlike its larger sibling, however, this 2-piece set features a built-in strainer lid instead of a separate insert. The strainer lid locks into place on the pot so that it won't slip around when it's time to pour the water out, and also eliminates the chance of dripping water when transferring the full pot back to the sink to strain. With its slightly smaller capacity and built-in strainer, this pot is one of the more compact pots we tested, making it a good fit for cooks with small kitchens. Although the pot is technically dishwasher safe, All-Clad recommends hand washing, and we noticed a few marks on the inside of the pot after putting it through the dishwasher. Number 4. Cuisinart Chef's Classic Pasta / Steamer Set. Best set. We're big fans of versatile cookware like this extra large and deep stainless steel set that has both a colander insert and a steamer basket. The larger insert can strain large batches of pasta, while the steamer basket is great for vegetables, seafood, dumplings, and more. The handles for this pot are securely riveted for easy and safe transport, and a stainless steel lid completes the set. We loved testing this pot from start to finish. It was roomy without being bulky and generously sized to accommodate pasta for a crowd. We were pleasantly surprised at how lightweight the 12-quart stock pot was, even when filled. We did find that the pot's handles tend to get hot, so you'll want to keep a kitchen towel or pot holders nearby for safety. It's a large set, so it may be too large for your dishwasher, though it is dishwasher safe. Washing it by hand was easy. Number 5. OXO Mira Tri-Ply 5-Quart Stock Pot. Quickest to boil. Though this doesn't come with a pasta insert, this wide, lightweight stockpot can't be beaten when it comes to boiling time. The OXO Mira line is made from stainless steel sandwiching a layer of aluminum, with all the pots designed with extra-wide handles and flat tempered glass lids. When we tested out the entire cookware line, this full stockpot came to a boil in under 15 minutes and, after adding a pound of pasta, it took less than a minute to get back to a rolling boil. This made it the quickest of the stockpots we tested, though it might be due to the wider surface area and the smaller capacity. We also appreciated the stockpot's interior measurement markings, so you'll always know when you have enough water. We did notice that the handles got warm during our pasta test. Be sure to keep an oven mitt nearby. And there you have it, the 5 champions that deserve a spot in your kitchen. Remember, the direct links to buy every single pot we featured, along with our exclusive discounts, are waiting for you in the video description below. Did your favorite make the list? Let's start a conversation. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. If this showdown saved you from a kitchen disaster or helped you find your perfect pot, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. It truly supports our mission. Share this video with a friend who loves to cook, they'll thank you later. And most importantly, subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're exposing the biggest lies in knife sets. You won't want to miss it. Until then, cook with confidence. I'll see you in the next one.